Hey, welcome in. You're listening to the daily version of the Korelin Economics Report. I'm Al Korelin, and I definitely appreciate you joining me. This program is being produced exclusively for our friends at Kitco. Hey, let me know how you like the new, what's the word I could use here? I guess genre, for lack of better terms. We got some video included with this, and I'd like to know what you guys think about it. It was a suggestion that Bart Kittner made to Carter and myself back in January, and we finally decided to do something about it. So this is the first day, and I'm starting out with a real expert in precious metals, and that's Marshall Berol. Marshall is the co-portfolio manager of the Encompass Fund and a frequent guest on this particular program. As we are recording, and we're recording here about 11:12 Pacific Daylight Time, gold is up about $5, 1424.80 on the ask side. According to a headline in Kitco, basically gold has climbed in price because of what's going on in Libya, and because of some rating downgrades that have occurred around the world, of course. Silver is up a little bit. It's up 38 cents, and by the same token, the U.S. dollar is down a little bit today. Marshall, what's your view on this for today, March 30th, Wednesday? What's going on, buddy?
Well, we're coming up with the end of a quarter, and that always adds a little extra activity to the markets, whether it's the commodities or the stocks or the futures. Our view remains the same at Encompass Fund. We still think that gold and silver are in long-term uptrends, that we haven't reached the top. We're a long ways. Who knows how long in time or how far in price, but they will continue up. Gold got up to 1440. Basically, it backed off to 1415, 1420. It's 1425 now. It's a normal corrections day to day, and one might look at it and say it's Libya or it's oil. As we've discussed before, Al, it's all the above. Any given day, it's one thing or another, but the long-term trends are still in place. There is still the printing presses running around the world, geopolitical problems, financial problems, Euroland problems, deficit problems in this country, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And at Encompass Fund, we think it remains very positive for silver and gold. We're stock investors. That's how we got 60% increase last year in our fund. Past performance is no guarantee of future results, but we think owning the metal or the stocks is a very appropriate way for people to try and make money on a longer-term basis.
You know, Marshall, I'm looking at my portfolio right now, and it's funny. 3 stocks are up. This isn't the total portfolio, but of 6 of the stocks that pop up immediately, 3 of them are up in price, and 3 of them are down in price. I find that to be kind of interesting, to say the least. The price of the shares don't seem to be following the price of the precious metals. Give me a quick comment on that, would you?
It generally doesn't correlate exactly one for one. Sometimes the metal is a little ahead of the stocks. Sometimes it's the other way around. Right now, the metal prices seem to be a little ahead of the stocks, but that certainly fluctuates, and they do correlate on a longer-term basis.
Okay, there you have it from Marshall Berol, co-portfolio manager of the Encompass Fund. Again, let us know what you think of this new format. Big Al's going to be back with you tomorrow.